Look, what is it? Yay! You know what it was.
It's Shake Shake Bridge?
It's Shake Shake Bridge. Shake Shake Bridge. Say thank you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Go get Daddy hug and kiss.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Shake Shake Bridge.
Who do you have?
Victor, Toby, Spencer, Dio, Thomas, Paxton, Thomas, James, and Whiff, and Bell, and Sodor, and two Toms, and two Toms, and featuring, and them, and featuring, and Hole, and featuring, and these are tags. Had to see, had to Percy, had to Annie, had to Train, had to Thomas. For everybody and track.
What'd you say?
That's Victor.
Let's get Spencer.
Right here.
Yeah.
Let's say CC Bridge.
Who's that? Thomas?
It's for Tommy.
Thomas number 1?
Yes.
Is he the cheeky one?
Yes.
What number's Toby?
7,
What number's Percy?
6,
What number's James?
5,
What number's Duck?
8,
What number's Donald and Douglas?
9.
Oh. Who's number 3?
I don't know.
You don't know. What number's Edward?
Henry Muddy.
Henry number 3?
Yeah. He's a cheeky one.
Who is he?
He's a cheeky one.
He's a cheeky one?
Yes.
Help Thomas.
I can. I can. I can. I can. Toby, James, Diesel, Thomas, Spencer, Dirk, Victor, Paxton.
Say it again. Do it again.
That's it.
That's it?
Yes.
And who's that back there? Where's Belle? And Dart? And Diesel 10?
Right here.
Who's that?
Right here. Right here. Tom.
Where's Diesel 10?
Right here.
Where's Belle?
Right here. Right here.
Where's Dart?
Right here.
Where's Toby?
Right here.
Where's Freight Train?
Right here.
Where's Troublesome Truck?
Right here.
Where's Thomas?
Right here.
Where's Two Thomas?
Right here.
Where's Little Thomas?
Right here. Right here.
And where's Little Thomas?
Right here. Right here.
And where's Tiny Thomas in front of Belle?
Right here.
And right here.
And right here.
What number is Thomas?
1,
What number is James?
5,
What number is Percy?
6,
What number is Diesel?
black,
And what number is Diesel 10?
nothing,
And what number is Toby?
7,
What number is Spencer?
gray.
He's gray. He doesn't have a number. Okay. Say bye.